In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter sign up to your WordPress site quickly and easily. This is a great way to engage with your audience and keep them updated with the latest news, so let's dive right in. To get started, head over to wordpress.com. If you don't have the site bookmarked already, just type it into your browser's search engine and it should come right up. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen for the login button. Give that a click. Now, if you've already got your credentials saved in your browser, WordPress will likely autofill these for you, making your login process even smoother. However, in this video, we're going to click on Continue with Google for an even easier login process, especially if you've linked your WordPress to your Google account. After you click, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. If you use multiple accounts, ensure you select the one that's connected to your WordPress. Once selected, WordPress will take a moment to sign you in, and before you know it, you'll find yourself on your site's dashboard. Now, this is where all the magic happens. On the right panel of your dashboard, you should see an area labeled Quick Links. Under this section, find and click Edit Site. This is going to take you to your site's editing interface. Now that you're in editor mode, let's move to the top left corner of the screen where you'll spot an Add button. This feature is super handy because it allows you to add various elements or blocks anywhere on your site. Go ahead and click that, then a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type in the word subscribe. This is going to sift through all the various block options WordPress offers, narrowing it down to exactly what you need. Your search will highlight the subscribe block, which is designed for newsletter signups, making this part of the process very intuitive. Click on subscribe when it appears. This block will now be added to your page, ready for you to customize with your unique content and any additional instructions for your followers. Before hitting save, make sure the block is where you want it on your page and that any connector apps or mailing list configurations are properly set up. And that's it. You now have a newsletter sign up integrated into your WordPress site, ready to capture emails and build your subscriber list. It's one of the most efficient ways to keep in touch with your audience, share valuable content and grow your community. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.